Well, the big question is, can you teach an old dog new tricks? And in this case, my name is not Fido. And yes, I have learned lots. I'm currently going through the Ed J. C. Smith online training program. It's an amazing program, and it's clients on automation. And I'm a member of the Champion Academy. I had Ed review one of my webinars, and it was so insightful. And I'm going to preface this by saying that I have done presentations around the world and a lot of work on camera. And I've been given feedback on my presentations in the past, but nothing like this, because Ed's feedback was so detailed. It was so caring. It was compassionate. It was constructive. He told me what I did right, what I need to do better, and where really there were gaps. And I'm so grateful because no one's ever taken that time. So when I signed up for this program, I did not expect to have so much caring and hand holding. And as Ed says, I've got your back. And he really does. He really is watching everything that you're doing and helping you every step of the way. And to me, that's everything. So my goal is to make a lot of money. And I want to be able to take my education and my information and turn it into sales. And Ed's helping me do that, where I'm taking content that is rich, but learning how to present it in a way that people want to buy. And that is huge. So Ed, thank you so much for the incredible feedback that you gave me. It was 5-star. Thank you for caring. Thank you for being compassionate and supportive. And I'm so glad I'm part of your program.